how to log in with username in Epic Games. What we want to do is go to epicgames.com here, and the first thing that we want to do is click on support. I'm going to explain why in a second. So here we just want to click on accounts, and there's a feature here. We can click on accounts yet again, and we want to scroll down until we see this blue contact us button. Now once we click on it, you will see this option here, or this feature, I'm unable to log in into my account. So once we click on it, you will see some different options. I don't know my password. I don't remember which email is linked to my account. So assuming that you want to log in with your username, we will just assume that you don't know your email. So we want to click on this, and we will then click on search for your email here. So what we want to do is select either Epic Games account display name or ID here. So you can do both depending on which one shows up. And it will ask us for our username or display name in this case, and you just want to type it out here, and also any upper lowercase characters, and then you just want to search for email here. And if you know your username, you will get your thing here. You will get your different options. So if like that was just my username, and we want to if you find the email, please log in into your account, please, so on and so forth. Unfortunately, you don't have access to email. You can request email change. So we can request an email change right here, and they will walk you through the process of actually, changing your email by using your username in Epic Games. And that's how you do it. Hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.